Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick in Google Sheets, how to apply a formula to an entire column in just a few simple steps. Whether you're managing a big set of data, crunching numbers for a school project, or just tired of copying and pasting formulas over and over, by the end of this tutorial you'll be able to instantly fill an entire column with your formula, saving loads of time and cutting out repetitive work. So let's get right into it. First up, you'll want to enter your formula into the very first cell of the column where you want the results to show up. Let's say you're calculating totals for a list of sales. Maybe you have prices in column A and quantities in column B, and you want to multiply them together in column C. Start by clicking into cell C2, that's usually right next to your first row of data. Here you would type in your formula, something like equals A2 asterisk B2. Just take a moment to check your references here, especially if your data doesn't start at row 2. This step is important because setting up this first formula correctly makes everything else fall into place. Think of it like laying the first brick in a wall. Once you have your formula entered and double-checked, here, where the real magic happens. Instead of just pressing enter, you're going to hold down the Control and Shift keys on your keyboard and then press enter. So that's Control, Shift, and enter all at once. When you do this, Google Sheets recognizes that you want to apply your formula as an array formula, which basically means it will try to automatically expand your calculation over a range, in this case, the entire column. If you've never used array formulas before, don't worry. They can sound a bit intimidating, but really what's happening is that Google Sheets is doing the heavy lifting for you, copying and adjusting your formula down through every row of data. After you hit Control plus Shift plus Enter, you might see your formula change slightly in the formula bar. It might get wrapped in the function ArrayFormula, which tells Google Sheets you're working with a range, not just a single cell. Trust me, this is a good sign. Finally, go ahead and press Enter one more time. Don't be surprised if it takes a moment, especially if you have a lot of data. The sheet might take a few seconds to catch up and populate your formula down the column. In just a breath, you should see all the relevant cells in your column instantly fill with the calculated results, instead of having to click and drag or copy and paste the formula manually. If nothing happens, just double-check that your formula is spelled correctly and that your references line up with your actual data. There you have it, your formula now automatically updates for every row in that column. This is a total game changer when you're managing large spreadsheets and helps cut down on errors that sometimes sneak in with manual copying. And if you ever add more data to your sheet, the array formula will keep things updated for you, which is really handy. Alright, I hope this method saves you as much time as it saved me. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, maybe you ran into a hiccup or need tips for another Sheets problem, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.